Time for some Thursday birthdays in the 4 states. We begin in Columbus with Katie Richardson celebrating birthday number 2. Happy birthday wishes coming from your family.
And happy birthday to Declan Hahn, who's celebrating 4 years old today over in Fort Scott, Kansas.
And in Girard, we've got Carter Edwards celebrating the big number 8 with love coming from Mom, Dad, and Sissy.
And happy 9th birthday to Emma Juliet Long. Your message says, happy birthday from Mom, Dad, and sisters over there in Miami, Oklahoma.
And in Parsons, we've got the Scott Anderson twins here, McCall and Maisie, both celebrating, of course, birthday number 9 with love from their great aunt and uncle.
All right, and happy 10th birthday to Ami Lederer from Joplin, Missouri, double digits. Happy birthday.
And in Oronogo, we've got Garrett Mathis celebrating number 17. Looking sharp there, Garrett, and a very happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Heather Tedlock, who today turns 32 over in Arma, Kansas.
And in Pittsburgh, we've got Tasha McCoy celebrating number 45. Happy birthday, Tasha.
And right there in the front right, we have Tina Dossett, who today turns 54. Happy birthday, Tina.
And also on that same screen there, Bev Dye celebrating birthday number 76. And she is in the back left. That's Tina's mom. Happy birthday.
Aw, that's special. And happy 65th birthday to Mark Dreisbach. Love from Sarah and the grandkids, Stetson, LK, and JJ.
And we've got a 32nd anniversary going out to Fred and Dawn Robinson in Galesburg. Very happy anniversary to the Robinsons.
Over in Cherryvale, Kansas, we have a birthday girl, Carlene Smith. Happy birthday.
And our neighbors in Crestline, Danny O'Hara celebrating another year wiser. Very happy birthday to you, Danny. Man, this is like the 3rd day straight that this list has been phenomenal. We've had a lot of pictures, a lot of great notes. Let's keep this up, Caitlin.
Absolutely. And you can submit your birthdays and anniversaries to us right here at the station at birthdays@koamnewsnow.com. Be sure to include pictures, any fun little messages, and we want to celebrate you and your loved ones on your special day.
We certainly do. And you can celebrate yourself a little bit if you go sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to koamnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to that koamnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.